go.
Here we go, Ladybird Loop. Carnival F telling, let's do this.
Yeah. Ooh, that feels nice.
Oh, that is really not.
So the thrill on this ride is, are we going to fall off the track?
I mean, literally. I mean, I'll give it, it's got some spin. Oh! Sorry, take that back. Ow. Whee! Spinny! Oh! There we go again. And there you have it. That was Ladybird Loop coaster thing, whatever it was.
Actually not the worst coaster I've been on the last.
No, that was actually all right.